Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey, Hornby GWR. This time we are looking at a crane from the Thomas and Friends range by Hornby since I was a child. So this will be a unboxing of it and I will show you how to set it up. So let's have a look at the back. Since it was my childhood, yes, the box has been squashed a bit. So what do you get? You get the different types of locomotives, like the Flying Scotsman with a face on, Bertie the bus, another wagon with circus stuff on, another one, also coach, you will see. I've got that. Don't have this one, the ice cream wagon. I don't have this one. Don't have that one. I do have this one. I don't have that. You saw me reviewing Percy and Two Troublesome Trucks, and that's the circus wagons. I don't have Gordon's coach. I've got Toby, but not these wagons here. Stepney is a real life loco. She is preserved on the Blue Bell Railway and is a great heritage railway, everything you can see. You can see this loco in real life and it's so good. In fact, Oliver I don't have, Thomas I do have, so I will further ado just quickly have a look at the top. That's what it is. This the bottom of the box, and that is the product number, as you can see, Margate. So yeah, so let's get it out the box and get it reviewed. Long time since I got this one out the box, so lift the flap of that away. Pop out the flat cart, what the crane sits on. Very nice. So yep, basic detail. I think it's weathered, but I'm not 100% sure. Metal wheels, really lovely. Firm metal wheels than plastic, because plastic just sorry about that, just tickling your throat. Basically this just helps quite a lot to just rest the crane on, and if you want to just keep using it on the model railway, that's really good. Everything. There's writing at the bottom of it, made in, wrong way round. So I know loads of people have asked me. Made in China. That's all I could say. So now let's get the main thing, what everyone's been screaming down the camera. Can we just get the crane out? Sure we can. So So here's the crane itself, metal hook, everything. And these holes are for the stands, so if I just flick how you get them in, is you see the hole just there, you just push those in. See, as I jolt the camera, both sides, and then there's another two of these, so you get 4 in total. And then you just put the other 2 on the other side. Like that. So basically this helps to lift the arm up of the crane, as you can see, and also lowers the arm of the crane. So if my hand was in the way, I do apologise, so I'll just show you again. This knob lifts it up and lowers it, and the back one you have to carefully there you go, got the wrong one. So this one, what I was touching to start with, is the one what lowers the hook, and the back one actually lifts the actual crane arm itself up. So that's that. What sits here is another piece of detail. Just have to get it out. It's a small chimney pot, and how it sits, if I don't drop it, it's all hard to do this on camera and stuff because I really cannot see. And it sits like that. So what sits on here is these 2 small bits of the crane, and it hooks in just like that, and then which way the crane's facing, then you can couple it up. So further ado, I'm going to get the crane onto the truck, show you it fully assembled, and then basically the next loco I get out will be the one be pulling this, so we'll show you how in the earth. This has got metal wheels also, all these. So it goes like that. I think you can still buy this kind of crane in the Hornby store, but in a different livery, but who knows. But if you want it in the Thomas tank engine range, you have to go on eBay to buy this. So thank you very much to watch this review. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and please leave your comments below. Thank you. guys. Before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button. And you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.